Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Yandere Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 34. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyan. Mengyan said to her, "If you drink more, you're just replacing the medicine. Remove from top to the bottom." Mengyan explaining to Gusing, but Gusing has become silly and ignorant right now. She won't listen to her. But also, looking at Mengyan, she's trying to be a baby. "I've obviously changed my clothes. Adults shouldn't be shy about the doctor." Oh, this girl. She was really good at acting, especially right now. He's trying to coax her, although Gusing, she won't be, falls into Mengyang's trap right now. But Gusing said to her, "Do I look like I have time to play and pretend games with you?" Well, definitely, she's getting angry. But Mengyan said to her, "My sister can still tell clearly that it's me, so I am so happy." Mengyan, although Gusing drinks the medicine right now, she really wants to treat her. But Gusing, she was really doubt on her. Apart from anything else, what she is wearing is quite suitable. The pink and tender color is a bit cute anyway. Gusing said to herself, of course, she won't praise her. She pays her because Mengyan, she will do crazy things on her. Or, can I use this to help my sister? I haven't done it anyone else before. My sister asked me to touch it and get familiar with it first. Well, Mengyan is trying to cure her, but of course Gusing, she won't really believe on her. She really can heal her. Just wait me to die. Then I can just make my sister unable to get out of bed. Now Gusing said to her, "You're a cute ghost." Well, they're really cute, right? Mia said to her, "I don't want to take advantage of the others, but I have many questions to ask my sister. It's probably been a long since that kiss in the toilet." Oh, right now, suddenly she wants to reminisce the back. Isn't that what just for? Why do you only remember the kiss? Oops, maybe you doubt me. After traveling back in time, he has been working hard to bring the male and female protagonists together, playing the role of vicious female supporting role. Oh, right now, I already remember, since she was the one who's making and writing the plot, but right now it turns out outside. But if you think about it carefully, it seems that you don't hide it much. Oh, she become teary. Well, maybe it was really her fault. Choosing a time like this to carry out the torture is just really promising. Don't think of me as a weakling. I'm just curious. Sister, right now, Mengyan tries so hard to deceive Gusing, but of course Gusing, she really knows about this. You ask me, when I leave this home, how will you take revenge on me? Will my sister like me? Well, can Gusing fall for this? She moved closer to her. "Ah, I really like sister. My sister has a straightforward and handsome personality, is not indecisive, will not be teased by the others. She is powerful and feels safe. She is very kind." Gusing said to herself, "Me? Kind?" Now, looking at Gusing, the vicious female supporting character, I place kind of eyes of the heroine. "This is too foul," Gusing said to herself. Now she don't know what to say to her, but Gusing, although Mengyan, in fact, when I went through I found out that she is quite cute and gentle. She has a good figure with the sexy curves and everything. Mengyang is trying to be tricky about her. Right now, Gusing said to her, "Take it out, who led you astray?" Now she's getting angry again. "Where did you came from? You're silly. Please give my little rabbit back." Now she's demanding on her, but looking at Mengyan, it seems that she won't stop teasing her. Now she was really blushing hard, said to her, "So, sister, you will answer me, right?" Well, what about Gusing? How can she answer her? Well, can she really like her? Or she can rejected her? Silly, that unknown medicine is also interfering with my will. So right now, she can think clearly. This is the real interrogation, Gosing said to herself. How can she answer her? Mine is really getting crazy, although right now. Gu said to her, in this case, why don't you to take off the two pieces of clothing to show your sincerity? Oh, right now, is she really trying to deceive her? But of course, maybe Mengyan, she will really do it if she right now she is requesting this, but of course, Mengyan really likes her, that's why she will do it. I definitely don't want to see what. Is that so? Mengyan said to her, oh, this girl, she was really getting crazy. Of course, she will follow all Gu Xing said to her. Sister, why don't you watch it? Mengyan, she's a little bit crazy, right? No, how about we play truth or dare? To be fair, how about I leave my sisters to guess? To be fair, you should let me go, Gu Xing said to her. Although right now, this is really good. Who wins and who lose? If I lose, I'll take off one fist. Oh, this is a fair deal for her. She must be surprised. Of course, right now, Mengyan, she's trying to trick her, but the other side, it was a good favor for her. And if Kusing will finally agree to her, although Mengyan, of course, she's getting to provoke her. Oh, this is getting interesting. How about the adventure? How can she choose it? Although, what is the punishment like? Right now, Kusing, it's a little bit crazy for her. This little girl is carrying this movie on her back. Which movie did her mother learn from this? Who is interested in this kind of thing? Kusing said to her. Well, probably she really want to provoke her. Want to see, she want to see, she want to see, take it off. I have to succeed in all my tasks and flat is over. I deserve this reward. Kusing said to herself. It can just help me to divert my attentions from it. Right now, the game is gonna start. Looking at Mengyan, she was putting a gesture. So, guess it, sister. Well, can she really guess it? Of course, Mengyan. She will try to deceive her. Sister, there is no drug that can make you. So the so-called aphrodisiacs only paralyze vigilance, making it easier for people to become prisoners of the others. Oh, Mengyan, she really knows everything. Well, it seems that the next chapter is really interesting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.